Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will tell you that how to sell sums based on their colors in Microsoft Excel. So before starting this video, make sure to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tips and tricks like this one. So in default Microsoft Excel there is not any function that can do this, so we have to make our own function by adding some VBA code. So first of all we will press basically Alt plus F11 and this will open up the Microsoft Visual Basic. Okay, then we will go to this insert option, click on module and just paste this code here. Okay, so you just need to basically pause this video here and type this code, and what this code will do is that this will basically make a new function by name sum by color. Okay, so what's we gonna have to do, we just have to save it. So go to this file option, go to save and save your sheet on the desktop. If you want, replace it, click on yes here, and now you can basically just close it. And now let's suppose that if we wanted to basically sum just these cells here which have this orange color here. Okay, so like 5 5 5 and 5, so the answer should be like 20 here. So what we are going to do here, that we will type equal, then we will type like sum by color here basically. So we will type sum by color, then basically we will set a criteria. So first of all we have to enter the cell that is containing that specific color on which we will basically set a condition. So in this case our cell will be A1, so I will just enter A1 here, and then I will select our whole range. So I will select our basically whole range from here, like this one. Sorry, sorry, let's just get back here, A1 and then this one, and then I will select A1 again to A5. Okay, A5, and then I will close this formula here basically, and the answer should be 20. So here you can see that this method has just considered those cells which have this same color here. So 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5, 520. So that's it for this video guys. If you find it useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will meet you in the next video.